Sunday, May 16th, 2021. Let's get started. Today I'll be adding the outdoor lights to the backyard. I already have the ladder, as you can see. Was out here with the umbrella, had a little drink. So today's the day I install the lights. This is everything I need for the project. Of course, the lights, they're the main thing, not to mention the cup hooks. You remember I used these for the wasp and fly trap? And everything else over here. All this is very important, very important. So I'll install the first cup hook here, and then the second one will go on the other end, just above the end of the windows. And I also have to take my tape measure. Reason being is I have to measure the distance from the ground to where the hooks are. And all this is going to make a whole lot of sense later. Make sure to use the right drill bit for the cup hooks. Read the instructions. Instructions recommended a 3/32, no problem. I decided to put the hole here. I think that's best. Correction, I just realized this won't work. When I screw the hook in, the siding will be in the way. This will work. Now I'll be able to wrap the cord around the hook. Time for the second one. Okay, they're both in. On to the next. I almost forgot. I need a pencil. Okay, so I'm going to take the tape measure and measure from under the hook down 5 feet. Then I'll measure from the line all the way down to the ground. This just makes it all easier. From the hook to the line, I measured 5 feet, okay? From the line all the way up there to the hook is 5. And from here, the line to the ground, I have 79 3/4 of an inch. I'm taking these measurements so when I come over to the garage, I'll know exactly where to put the lights. I want them in this area. And to figure it out, all I did was add 79 3/4 of an inch to 5 feet. Really easy. I want the lights to be in the middle, so I'll measure the window here and go across. Then eventually I'll go up. So I measured 61 5/8 of an inch. Not bad. The mark should be roughly here. Now I'll do what I did on the other side to figure out where the other mark should be. Trust me, guys, it may not look like it, but I was able to measure another 5 feet from the previous mark I just made. So trust me on this one. I got the measurement I was looking for. You know what? It looks dead on and centered with the triangle here. Time to open up the lights. Be really careful with these when you open them up. You don't want to break any of them. This is a good sign. I like how they package the string lights. Makes it hard for them to break. Test them before you unravel them. These look good. I'll just put them back in the box just in case I drop them on my way out. Got some concerns, folks. I bought 3 25-footers. I'm not sure that they'll reach. I have 2 connected now. Not only was it enough line, I like what I see. Very nice. Very nice. I'm finishing up now. I'll give you guys a better angle. Very pleased with it. Little work, but it's all worth it. Another angle, but wait until tonight. It's going to be great. I ran into a bit of a dilemma. That's why I'm not finished. Now I have the cord on the side that it should be on. This side has to plug in to the extension cord, and the extension cord needs to plug into an outlet. But I didn't have it like that at first. I had this side, the actual outlet or plug, where the connector is, and that just wasn't going to work, and I wouldn't have been able to plug it in and get power. Now I have to get back on the ladder to secure the cord and make everything look nice and neat. With so much cord left, I had to pull some of the lights out of the line, and when you do that, cover the sockets up with electrical tape. Even though the excess line is under the gutter, it's still good to cover this stuff up with electrical tape. I used everything I had. I got lucky because I was able to hide some of the extension cord under the frame of the window. Oh, it just makes it look a whole lot better. Just wanted you guys to know you inspired me to bring the fountain out early. Well, that's going to be it. I guess I'll clean the lounger. I'll also rinse the table, scrub the chairs. I didn't think you guys want to stick around for that. Plenty more work to do back here. You guys stay tuned. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.